Welcome to this NIM overview of the self-service password reset feature found inside NIM. Forgotten passwords can be a drain on company resources. Not only is the affected employee unable to perform their job duties, but the IT department must use their time to reset the user's password. This can create costly delays across various parts of an organization. Luckily, NIM gives end users the ability to reset their own forgotten passwords, thus decreasing downtime and lost productivity costs. They are able to do this by positively identifying themselves with a one-time passcode sent to their email or mobile device. This tutorial will lead you through the process of setting up and configuring the password reset functionality of NIM. The processes here can be configured for multiple target systems, such as Active Directory and Google Workspace. I look forward to seeing you in the tutorial.